Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I'm so excited to share with you today my 16 favorite Stampin' Up! Products right now. I celebrated my 16th anniversary with Stampin' Up! Just this past weekend, and I've made it an annual tradition where I then share the number of goodies that I like right now with the number of years that I am celebrating with my anniversary. So the super exciting thing is the more years that I've been a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, that means the more products I get to pick out for my favorites, because let me tell you, this is hard to do because there's so many favorite products I have. And that changes like almost weekly. So this was literally picked out this morning, and these are my top favorite 16 products that I am loving right now. Of course, at the end of the video, I'll post a link for all of my other past years so you can see if there's a trend with anything or what my favorites are. I will say the one item that I think is probably a duplicate is the Stampin' Shammi. I absolutely love this thing, couldn't live without it, and it is one of my all-time favorites. So this one might be a duplicate from last year, but I think everything else is fresh. So my Shammi, absolutely love it. Of course, it comes like a fabulous purple color and never looks like that again. As long as your stamps are clean, your Shammi is not. So this is my Stampin' Shammi, and I just have it in a Stampin' Up! Clear mount case because then it stays nice and protected and keeps everything else from getting dirty. So that's number one. Number two, I know you guys are loving this as well because they're sold out like all the time, but they are back in stock right now, and that is the champagne rhinestones. Okay, so I love me some bling, and these are just absolutely gorgeous. So I super love silver, but I don't know. These are, I think it maybe just because they're new, but they're kind of like a fabulous like rose gold, and I love it. The stamp set is number 3, Peaceful Moments. I feel like the greetings are perfect, and it's got that scrolly font. I love me a good scrolly font. So this is Peaceful Moments, and I am super loving this stamp set. And then my 2 favorite colors right now. So of course, you probably know me. You know I love Lovely Lipstick, which I'm sad to see that it will be actually retiring at the end of May. So don't wait long because you definitely want to get this color. It is amazing. Don't forget to get the ink refill with it too. And my other favorite color, which might come as a little bit of a surprise, is actually Daffodil Delight. And I chose this because I've realized I've started using it a lot lately. And so I thought, I know I always say, like my favorite color is pink or even like the Coastal Cabana Bermuda Bay blue, which I absolutely love too. As you can see, my stamp room is decorated in that color. But I've actually been pulling out Daffodil Delight like a lot lately. So I went ahead and pulled that as one of my favorites. So my 2 favorite colors right now, Lovely Lipstick, Daffodil Delight. I will say that I have fallen in love with the Take Your Pick tool like really, really hard. I didn't use it as much in the beginning, kind of thought it wasn't really that fabulous and wondered what people were going crazy about it for, and now I'm going crazy with you guys. It's so much fun. So I use the pancake flipper a lot to like pry something up. I use the poker tool here to pop dies out of the framelit. It works perfectly. I absolutely love that. And I've started to use the putty tip for adding rhinestones or jewels onto my project. You simply just press it onto the side, and here it's hard to do like in the air, and then there you have that fabulous rhinestone. Love it. Works perfectly. It's amazing, and it's just so handy. So I always have that right over here with all of my other supplies. One of the other things I'm super loving is the Under My Umbrella bundle, both the stamp set and the umbrella builder punch. I am loving both of these so much. They're so perfect for spring. Of course, if I did this video in the fall, it might be like totally something different, but it's got fabulous flowers in it, super cute greetings, a little bit of a scrolly font there, and then those boots and the umbrella, like so cute. And then of course you have to have the coordinating builder punch. So loving those. Don't forget, I do have a virtual class using these. And if you have this set, it'll be perfect. If not, you can always substitute for your other favorite stamp set and punch. So definitely check that out. I'll leave a link down below in the description box so you can see all of my virtual classes. My favorite designer series paper right now is the Best Dressed designer series paper. This is all I have left of the pack, so it's all I can show. But it's got the fabulous like lipsticks and high-heeled shoes. Let me try to flip this around. But, and that side I'm kind of like, not too excited. But when I realized it was flowers on the other side, loving it. Absolutely love it. I've been through two, well, this is the leftovers, but 1 3/4, I guess, full packs of this stuff because it is amazing. I actually have another virtual class, now that I think about it, another virtual class using this product. So again, you can tell my favorite products are also my virtual classes. So that's super fun. My other two favorite punches right now are the Label Me Fancy and Label Me Lovely punches. These I grab for like almost every single card I make. They are just the perfect size and image for any sort of like greeting or focal point or anything like that. And I'm absolutely loving them. And I have even trimmed them down to get a totally different look, layered with them. I've done a couple videos on that, so be sure to check out all of the videos on my channel for super fun videos on tips and tricks with using punches, designer paper, and so much more. My two favorite ribbons right now, Daffodil Delight Ruched Ribbon. So it's this super fabulous one. Again, this one's been on back order once before, so I know you guys are loving it too. And the other one is the Petal Pink, and this has a fabulous rose gold border to it. Let me see if I can actually pop this open so you can see both of these. These are actually both brand new packs. Because I'm always buying more of it because I'm using so much of it. Of course, are you surprised that I have a ribbon that coordinates with one of my favorite colors and that the other one is pink? Because that's me. So there are those fabulous ribbons. Let me see. Super gorgeous. Then one of the other things that I'm loving, and I couldn't really pick like a specific color, but Stampin' blends. I love these markers. They are so fabulous. They make you feel like a true artist, and I really don't feel like I am. And I've actually started to like coloring because the more I use these, the more I find it to be super easy. And like I said, I totally feel like an artist with these. And I don't do a ton of blending, I'll be honest with that, but even just regular coloring with them is so much fun. So even if you're not feeling like a crazy artist or you're not thinking that you can get the blending technique down, don't worry. Still get these for awesome coloring. I absolutely love the Stampin' blends. Of course, the 3 or 6, I guess technically, that I'm holding are actually the light and darks of the in colors that will be retiring again at the end of May. So this is Lovely Lipstick, Pineapple Punch, and Call Me Clover. So these 6 ones will actually be retiring then, and they will be while supplies last, so they might be gone before the end of May. The last 2 items that I have are the Ornate Style stamp set. Hello. Flower stamps. Absolutely love, love, love these images. And I have been using this image right here, which has that fabulous like corner look, and stamping it on the 4 corners of of a card. And it's just like, it really brings it to life. You can also use it on the inside, like white panel that you put to write on. So if you like to write a lot and don't want to put a big greeting in the middle, or you want to make it like a generic card, add those to the four corners for some fabulous decoration without like filling in the card with a whole bunch of words or anything like that. So super loving that. And that actually bundle and saves 10% whenever you get it with this one. This is the Ornate Layers dies. And as you can see, I'm loving these because they're a hot mess inside of here. But these dies are just absolutely stunning. And actually, again, now that I think about it, I have a virtual class with this product as well. Both the Ornate Style and the Ornate Thanks stamp set. But you could always use any sort of greeting stamp set of your choice. So yeah, I guess I definitely picked these correctly because I actually have virtual classes with a lot of these products because I'm loving them so much. So these are the dies that I am loving that coordinate with the Ornate Style, but they also are perfect dies to get on their own because they're awesome for labels or backgrounds or anything like that. They're just so much fun. So that is my favorite 16 products that I am loving right now. As you can tell, a lot of them are products that I've used in my recent launch of virtual stamp classes. Of course, because we can't be stamping together right now, we can still stamp virtually. And it's like having you right there with you because I chit chat with you, I give you tips and tricks, and we go through everything just as if you were taking the class with me right here in front, like together. Stamping like one-on-one together. It's so much fun. But the bonus to it is that I'm actually stamping with you on your time, your location, and you can wear your PJs if you want, which is super fabulous because how many of us like to stay in our PJs all day since we're staying home? I know I sure like to. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope all is going well. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com. And here's to another fabulous 16 or more years with Stampin' Up! So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know your favorite products in the comments below. And I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.